Hello fellas, after the last video, a lot of people have been contacting me via my mail requesting for the demo. So that's the reason why I've decided to make this website. Yeah, though it is not yet online, so you can't access it right now because I'm still working on it. But it will soon be available very soon. So for now, you can always contact me via my mail for custom strategy or for the bot. So the mail is in the description box. I've not been happy with the subscriber count because it has been very low compared to the views. So please subscribe. It doesn't take much of your time. I'm begging. So let's go straight to today's video. So today I want to show you how the bot actually works. So the previous one was introducing the bot to you guys. So now today I'm going to show you how it actually works. But let me put out this before I show you how the bot works. The bot takes a lot of time to work, and this video can't wait for that long. So let's say you are going to be running the bot for an hour before it makes your desired profit. So I don't have up to an hour in this video, so therefore I'm going to be cutting it. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the demo account. You can't fund the demo account, so you guys will actually know whether I've made some profit or not. So you will see the starting balance in the demo account, then you compare it to where it is done betting. So let's go straight to the point. So let's go straight to the folder. So this is the demonstration folder. So let me run this app. So it's coming up. So now I'm going to start the bot right now. Let's start the bot. So as you can see, it's loading. So everything is automated, like I've demonstrated in the other video. So the network is slow here as usual. So let's wait for it to do its thing. So as you can see, it has launched this mini browser. So since we actually want the demo, so let me click on this demo. So we actually want the demo. So you can see here, this is the demo version of this app. So now let me copy this and paste it to this place. So now the game has started, then it doesn't need my interaction anymore. So I'll just be looking at it, looking at what it does. So I'm not going to do anything for now. As you can see demo play here. So it's on demo. So let me go back to the log so that you can see what is actually happening. So you can see the loss limit and the profit limit. When they get to this stage, it will stop automatically. So you're not going to be going beyond your loss limit, and you're not going to be going beyond your plus profit limit. So as you can see, so these are the strategy we are using. So I will take away this data because this is not pretty to look at. So as you can see, no pattern occurred, so no bet, but still waiting. So when the pattern doesn't occur, it is not going to do anything. So this is the reason why it takes some time to actually make a profit, because it doesn't just bet anyhow. It waits for the pattern before it executes its bet. So we are going to wait here for some time, for a while. So thank goodness that the waiting time is just 49 seconds. So that's the reason why it makes a lot of sense to wait for its pattern before it makes a bet. So and the stake is constant. So there is nothing like martingale here. When you lose, it doesn't multiply any stake. We wanted to add that, but I just decided not to include it. So the stake is constant. So it finally placed a bet. So let's see the result. So that's it. As you can see, it's won. So that's it for this video. Though it is not just going to be just one game, it's going to be a series of game. So that's how it works. It's going to be a series of game. So let's wait for this one as well before we call it a close. So let's wait for this as well. So as you can see, so that's how it works. So thanks for watching. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please, that's very crucial. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.